design, manufacture and support equipment and production lines for different international industries. We develop custom-made solutions for factories all over the world, in different development stages and with different implementation sizes. Our engineering department responds to the specific needs of each productive line. We deliver state-of-the-art solutions with demanding technological integration and using 4.0 technology. We are pioneers, and we are driven by our customers' needs. There are no boundaries to what we can do, so our portfolio is constantly evolving. Afinomaq is a solid brand and a market reference. With a highly qualified and diverse team, we pay attention to details all through the several production stages. Together with our clients, we build and control its equipment's production in an integrated life cycle. The plant of the future begins with Afinomaq.